Welcome back to our journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Today's topic is one that resonates deeply with many individuals who have achieved significant weight loss, and that's the fear of regaining weight. It's a fear that can cast shadows on our achievements, but fear not, because today we're embarking on an in-depth exploration of strategies to conquer this fear and move forward with confidence. So get comfortable, grab a cup of tea, and join me as we delve into the art of overcoming the fear of weight gain after experiencing a remarkable transformation. Let's start by acknowledging the validity of your emotions. The fear of regaining weight is not uncommon. I have that fear daily. It's one of the first things I think about when I wake up, and one of the last things I think about when I go to sleep. So it's important to recognize that your feelings are real, they're valid, and they're shared by many who have undergone significant weight loss. Achieving such a milestone is an incredible accomplishment, and it's only natural to feel anxious about the prospect of losing that progress. So first, we need to take a moment to celebrate your accomplishments. Reflect on your journey and the milestones that you've reached. These successes are a testament to your hard work, dedication, and the changes you've embraced. Recognize that the path you've walked so far is evidence of your determination and potential for continued growth. A key strategy to overcome the fear of weight gain is to shift your focus from mere numbers on the scale to the broader concept of a healthy lifestyle. When you prioritize your overall well-being, weight becomes just one facet of your journey. Focus on nourishing your body with wholesome foods, engaging in regular physical activity, and engaging in self-care that encompasses the mind, body, and spirit. So instead of fixating on maintaining a specific weight, consider setting realistic goals that focus on a more holistic health and well-being. Establish achievable targets related to fitness, nutrition, and your mental wellness. Remember, the journey is ongoing, and small, consistent steps contribute to lasting success. Navigating the fear of weight gain is often made easier when you're part of a supportive community. Whether it's connecting with friends, family, or fellow individuals who've experienced similar journeys, having a network that understands your struggles and triumphs can provide invaluable encouragement. One powerful tool in maintaining your weight loss is the practice of mindful eating. Tune into your body's hunger signals, savor each bite, and cultivate an awareness of the nourishment you're providing. This mindful approach to eating fosters a positive relationship with food and reduces the risk of overeating. In pursuit of your lasting health, the process of learning and personal growth is ongoing. Educate yourself about nutrition, exercise, and holistic wellness. The more informed you become, the better equipped you are to make choices that align with your goals. It's important to express your fears and concerns to your support system. Engaging in open conversations with loved ones, friends, or even professionals can provide a sense of relief and understanding. Clearly articulating your feelings can help alleviate any type of anxiety and provide valuable guidance. Stress and emotional triggers can sometimes lead to unhealthy habits. Cultivate healthy coping mechanisms such as meditation, journaling, creative pursuits, or engaging in physical activities that you enjoy. Managing stress positively contributes to the maintenance of your achievements. Embrace a mindset of self-compassion and body positivity. Focus on treating yourself with kindness and recognizing that your self-worth is not solely determined by your weight. Learn to embrace the beauty of feeling strong, confident, and healthy, regardless of any number. The fear of regaining weight is a genuine concern, but it's a fear you can conquer. By shifting your perspective, prioritizing your overall well-being, and building a robust support system, you have the tools to rise above this fear and continue flourishing on your transformative journey. Each day presents an opportunity to celebrate your progress, focus on your achievements, and step forward with resilience. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe for more empowering content. Remember that you possess the strength to overcome your fears and walk confidently towards the life that you deserve. Until next time, keep thriving and embracing the journey ahead. Thank you for watching. I should have made tea for this one.
You should have. You need to like end up incorporating some kind of food.
Yeah.
You know? Or like in the step ones, it would make sense for it to be the sandwich. Every step you do a new thing. And this is the salami of the sandwich.
Like I could just like have a teapot and like pour the tea and like dip the thing and like
so
talk.
Get your tea.
Yeah.
We're about to spill it.
Oh yeah, we're about to spill that tea. I should spill it on myself.
It's cold
and
tea.
engaging in self-care that encompasses the mind, body, and spirit. Ooh, spirits.
Like the ghost rooms that keep floating
Can
down.
provide invaluable encouragement and motivation. Ugh. Stress and emotional triggers can sometimes lead to unhealthy habits. Cultivate by shifting your perspective, prioritizing your overall well-being, and building a robust... Who is fucking texting me? Okay, go and tell your grandma that you're up here, because they're asking where you are.